Okay, I have my moments. I'm human. That's why I cheat. And it feels amazing. Hi, I'm Reggie, and thanks for joining me on RegEdited. And this channel is about self-care for the caregiver and self-preservation, and hopefully that we can share some bits of inspiration that will make a big impact in your day. At least that's what I'm shooting for. So I'm a caregiver 24 hours a day for my mom, who's a stroke survivor. I am a full-time sales rep in corporate America, and I'm a video creator, at least enthusiast. And I just wanted to touch base on something like this and why I cheat. I do. You know, I live this fasting focused lifestyle, and it's not easy all the time. And so I just realized that I can't be so strict on myself and always doing every little thing correct in my diet, which is a low carb diet. So the things that I enjoy are chocolate and cheese. I mean, those are like my two favorites, and I actually eat those every day, believe it or not. How do I do it? And I still maintain my weight. So I originally lost about 15 pounds in the first 2 weeks of doing my fasting focused lifestyle with the snake diet. And now I'm maintaining it, and it's, you know, even more weight than the 15 initial pounds. So I just felt like, you know, why do I need to sneak around and feel like I'm doing a bad thing by eating cheese and eating chocolate, you know, on a daily basis? Well, I keep it in my 2-hour window. So I fast 22 to 24 hours, and you know, that tight window is 2 hours of eating. And so I can eat the cheese, or I can eat what I want, because I am being mindful of what my body is asking for. So I give it to it. So I can eat dark chocolate, you know, a nice quality chocolate. There's nothing wrong with eating a couple of squares of those about this size. And, you know, cheese, I eat good cheese, and I get that from Trader Joe's. And no reason, and there's no harm in it, because it's fat, and I need the fat in my diet. So on the weekend also, you know, I cheat. So I'm gonna eat what I want. I wanna eat some carbs, I'm gonna do it. So if I want bread, if I want some pizza, or even pasta, I can give myself that over the weekend. Allow those things for you. Now, this is for those that already made their target weight and really just looking to maintain, or maybe lose, you know, a couple of pounds, you know, over the week. I know that I usually lose a half a pound just without trying with my diet that I do right now is OMAD. So 1 meal a day. And you know, I still lose the weight even when I'm eating all this junk. You know, I might want some cookies, and I'm gonna get down on it. The thing is about me, it can't be in the house, or I'm just gonna eat it. And when I have my mom, who has the opposite diet of me, you know, I end up going into her stuff, and then I'm beating myself up the next day about it. And still, I might lose a half a pound, which is amazing to me. But I think it's because, you know, the metabolism is running high, and that's the best thing about fasting. Your metabolism speeds up, okay? And so that is really the key to this. And you are into ketosis when you are fasting on a regular basis. And so even if I eat a meal or a cheat meal, you know, I still find that if you use a ketosis stick and see the change in color, I'm still in ketosis for some reason, because I guess because my window's so tight and my body is now, you know, become a burning machine no matter what I do. I mean, you can't get crazy with it. You know, you can't just, you know, eat like a fiend and scarfing down a bunch of, you know, bread and, you know, burgers and all that. Now, I will eat that occasional cheeseburger. You know, it's good protein. So, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. You just have to be mindful about what you eat and mindful about those cheat days. It's okay. It's okay. I don't know anybody running around here that is just perfect with their diet and they never mess up, okay? But I don't look at it as messing up. I think it's just about enjoying life, enjoying things that you want to indulge in, and, you know, keep going. And as long as you're keeping some kind of regimen most of the days, you'll be fine. So if you have a comment, I love to hear, how do you cheat? And what does that look like for you? So please leave a comment in the comment section. And remember, always keep searching for the perfect bite and balance. Thanks for watching.